You know, I've been at TFS for almost 10 years now, and just to see the evolution and the growth, and to have us all finally under one roof, it's extremely special, and it means a lot to the students, to the staff, to the entire community. And that's what I see when I walk around. It's just, this is a place where our community is going to thrive, and we're really going to deliver an incredible education experience and training experience for our students. I know the program directors have been instrumental in making sure it's a great space for learning. Erica has been incredible at putting it all together. The vision has been remarkable, and to be here and see it firsthand. The support from senior leadership at TFS under both Ian and Shannon, this is, you know, we're so grateful for the vision and the commitment to this. Like I said, this is transformative.